This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
Hey, so there are three main kinds of videos which you'll have to deal with, especially in the earlier stages of your digital marketing career. The first one is the video ads. So when people talk about the fact that the social media platforms are looking cluttered, they are basically referring to the fact that the number of video ads and image-based ads that they're seeing is really quite a lot. So if you're doing a video ad, you have to keep it, you have to ensure that it is not more than a minute, and so that ends up being a lot of the video work that gets done. These 1 minute social media ads, and it is across platforms, right? The other one, I call it the summary of the summary kind of videos, right? So which means it could be a summary of a blog post, or a summary of the trends which are happening in your category, things like those. And incidentally, this case study which is also about a summary kind of video. So that's and these kind of summary videos, you end up doing a lot of these in your organic, as a part of your organic social media calendar. So the first one was video ads. So these are the paid ones, and the second one are the organic ones, which are a part of the organic social of your social media calendar, right? And the third one is I would say is what is called the animated GIF. Because what increasingly, and what research is saying, is that video ads are not very effective, right? So even 1 minute is a lot today. So what a lot of advertisers and brands are doing is that they're opting for animated GIFs, which are for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, right? So that's something. So that's the third kind of a video / animated GIF that is doing the rounds nowadays. So these are the three kinds of videos. Now I came across something which is very interesting, and which actually prompted me to make this video. It is like a summary, like you can say a trailer of a new book which has already been launched on Amazon.
Yeah. Name, place, animal, thing. That's what it is right now. That's right. Name, place, animal, thing. I have a secret from lives well lived, codified, synthesized, the things they did, patterns emerged, polymaths they sing. Name, place, animal, thing. Use your hands in your head. So much to try before you're dead. Animal, the core of our being, where carbon life forms we're not just seeing. Place, no go far and wide, stay near and narrow, wonder inside. Name, so what the world expects, so many hats can get you respect. When you ask, so what do you do? Take a pause, forget your title in the zoo. Let the question sink, talk names, places, animals, things. Name, place, animal, thing. It's the title of a book that I love for you to take a look. Fun and purpose in life, it will help you bring. Name, place, animal, thing.
Hey, now that you have seen a very good example of a summary video, what the case study task for today is actually to you'll find a blog post link on this page. So what you have to do is have a look at that and see how you can convey the top the key findings of that blog post in the form of a video. So again, it's a summary video, and there are many video editing tools that you can use, but we suggest Invideo.com for this particular assignment. So go and check Invideo.com and figure out what category of a template would you use, and how can you communicate the main findings of that blog post in the form of a short, say 30 second, 45 seconds video. Thank you.